A shocking case has surfaced from the national capital, Delhi. A 9-year-old girl allegedly gang raped, murdered at a crematorium in Delhi, and then a hushed cremation without even taking the family into account. People have been arrested. Family has been informed, but the victim's family says that's not enough. They're now demanding a death penalty in this case. One by one, we are witnessing these young girls who are facing not only sexual torture and murder, but of course a reflection on our society of why the situation refuses to improve for the girls and women in India. Take a look at this special report coming in.
India's capital, the symbol of democracy, now a symbol of shame. In Delhi, a 9-year-old Dalit girl raped and murdered when she went out to drink some water. The accused, a priest and 3 others, allegedly gang raped her, murdered her, and then forcefully cremated her. They called the little girl's mother, claimed her daughter was electrocuted to death while getting water. Then they allegedly dissuaded the mother from calling the police, saying that a post-mortem would mean that the little girl's body would be taken apart.
में 4 लोग हम लोगों ने गिरफ्तार कर लिए हैं और जो मुख्य आरोपी है राधे श्याम, जो कि शमशान घाट का प्रीस्ट है, पंडित है, वो, और उसके अलावा 3 और लोग हैं, लक्ष्मी नारायण, कुलदीप और सलीम, जो वहीं पे काम करते हैं शमशान घाट पे, और वो आरोपी के भी परिचित हैं, मुख्य आरोपी के, और इनके भी परिचित थे क्योंकि बच्ची वहाँ पे रोज जाया करती थी पानी पीने.
The little girl's mother is now left fighting for justice. Her daughter cremated without her permission.
बेटी मेरी उल्टी जलाई गई है, मेरी बच्ची का मुझे न्याय चाहिए, मुझे मेरी बेटी का न्याय चाहिए, जल्लादों को फांसी दो. ये धमकी दे रहे थे पुलिस वाले भी, दोनों लेडीज पुलिस वाले भी, कि बच्ची का रेप नहीं हुआ तो झूठ बोले. मैंने आप इतना मत, हम दबाव में डाल दिए. एक कमरा बंद मैं कर दी थी, एक में मेरे पति कर दिया था.
Unsurprisingly, politicians have lined up to express solidarity with the victim's family. Rahul Gandhi was the first to meet them, and his visit was met with protests by locals. Delhi Chief Minister Kejriwal was next. He also visited the family and promised all help possible.
दिल्ली सरकार परिवार को 10 लाख रुपए का मुआवजा देगी. इसमें हम मैजिस्ट्रियल इंक्वायरी ऑर्डर करेंगे और इस केस में दिल्ली सरकार सबसे बड़े से बड़ा वकील कोर्ट में लगाएगी ताकि दोषियों को कड़ी से कड़ी, सख्त से सख्त सजा दिलवाई जा सके.
The usual political script played out. The opposition questioning the BJP in turn lashing out.
रेप और बलात्कार में यदि राजनीति करने की कोशिश की जाए तो मैं कहूंगा ये राजनीति का सबसे न्यून स्तर होता है, सबसे निम्न या सबसे निचला स्तर होता है. हां, इसमें सिंपैथी, इसमें आप खड़े रहें, आप विषय को आगे बढ़ाएं, इसमें कोई आपत्ति नहीं है.
ये निकम्मी सरकार है. कानून व्यवस्था यहाँ खत्म हो चुकी है. अगर कानून व्यवस्था होती तो देश की राजधानी में अगर बच्चों के साथ ये हो रहा है तो आज समझिए कि देश से बाहर, देश के अंदर जो गांव देहात है वहां क्या क्या नहीं सहते होंगे हम लोग.
The Trinamool Congress's Derek O'Brien even issued this dare to Home Minister Amit Shah to issue a statement in Parliament.
Shouldn't the Home Minister of India come here and answer the questions? What is wrong with you? If the Home Minister comes tomorrow and answers the question about why so sad this 9-year-old girl was, the Dalit girl was raped, okay, I will shave my head tomorrow on your channel.
With Arvind Ojha and Mosmi Singh in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
My colleague Munish Pandey now joins me with further updates on this story. Munish, the Congress party here took the lead, sat with the family, expressed condolences, generated a debate, then followed by Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. But what is the status of the case? Because the victim's family is not buying the electrocution version that is being given officially to them.
Yeah, well, Pooja, as far as this rape case is concerned, what police maintains that they have arrested all the 4 accused. They have been sent to judicial custody, but the mortal remains of the minor girl, they have been sent for forensic examination. And once the report comes, then only police will take them into police custody. All the accused will be taken into police custody only after the forensic report. As far as police is concerned, they have recorded statement of the eyewitnesses and others. People in the case, but as far as the entire case is concerned, it is also taking a political turn. Remember,
yes,
Rahul Gandhi went and met the family members of the minor girl, the girl who was raped and murdered, and also the TMC leaders have reached just a while back and met the family members, and BJP has also objected to people. They are saying that basically these leaders are going for publicity, but as far as the police is concerned, they are saying that they are doing their job. They will take some time, but their investigation is in the right direction. Pooja.
And definitely a debate that must continue to generate heat, at least here when we're talking about girls of this country. Thank you so much, Munish Pandey, for all the latest.